Roof repairs in Fort Worth, Texas usually become more expensive when small problems go unnoticed for too long. After a hailstorm or a week of hard wind, your roof can look fine from the ground while early damage quietly spreads. Start with your shingles. Cracked, curling, loose, or missing shingles are some of the clearest warning signs. You may also notice patches that appear darker or uneven, which can indicate trapped moisture or aging materials that are beginning to fail. Catching shingle issues early often helps keep inexpensive roof repairs on the table. Next, check your gutters and downspouts. If you see a heavy buildup of shingle granules, almost like coarse sand, that can mean that your shingles are wearing out faster than they should. Granule loss reduces your roof's ability to protect against the sun, rain, and future storms. Then, look inside. Brown ceiling stains, peeling paint near corners, or a musty smell in the attic can all signal a roof leak. Even a small roof leak can travel along wood and insulation before it shows up as an obvious drip, which is why timely roof inspection is so important. In many cases, acting early with roof repair services in Tarrant County helps prevent more serious problems, such as widespread decking damage or interior leaks. Finally, pay attention to the roof line. A sagging, wavy, or dipping look from the street can indicate underlying structural issues. That's a situation where you want trusted local roofers to evaluate it, especially if you need roof repair after a storm. At First Texas Roofing, we provide straightforward roof repairs in Fort Worth, Texas, and clear answers based on what your roof actually needs. For meticulous roofing services, contact First Texas Roofing to schedule a roof inspection and catch minor damage before it becomes a bigger repair.